Welcome the our channel. Today we how to recover from a relationship issue with Relate, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by acknowledging your feelings about the relationship issue. Take a moment to reflect on what caused the problem. Ensure you understand your partner's perspective as well. Approach the conversation when both of you are calm and open. Choose a comfortable and private setting for the discussion. Start with I statements to express your feelings. Avoid placing blame and focus on your own experiences. Give your partner a chance to share their thoughts. Listen actively without interrupting. Validate their feelings, even if you disagree. Identify common goals you both want to achieve. Consider compromising to find a mutually acceptable solution. Discuss any underlying issues that may have contributed to the conflict. Create an action plan to address these issues together. Set time frames for checking in on each other's feelings. Be patient as both of you adjust to the changes. Practice forgiveness to help heal emotional wounds. Remember that growth takes time for both individuals and the relationship. Remain open to ongoing communication about your feelings. Celebrate small victories along the way. Reach out for professional help if needed. Remember, rebuilding takes effort and commitment from both partners. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.